Hey guys, Kevin here on behalf of Mr. JDM Reviewers with an installation video of MSW spark plug wire set, 4x energy, stainless nickel alloy wire, superior magnetic suppression of radio static, and it's custom fitted 4-cylinder for the Project 93 Celica. Got off eBay for about 25 bucks, and yeah, let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is get out the old wires. Let me find a place to put this camera. Just grab them by the boot, wiggle them around, and they should come out. As you can see, these are really worn. Again, grab them. So get that, and then I'll get a screwdriver so I can take off the distributor cap. So as I was saying, we gotta take off the distributor cap, which is right there. I think this is being held on by, I believe, 3 screws. Yeah, 3 screws. So just go ahead and take that out. You may want to remove the battery if you cannot access it, but I'm gonna try to take it out without removing the battery. Okay. Kevin on behalf of Mr. JDM Reviewers again, part 2 of the video. I actually found out using a wrench is much easier and it won't strip your bolts. And these screws on this particular Toyota is a 8mm set. So just tighten it, loosen it until you can hand loosen it. As you can see, I kind of damaged the screw, but it's fine. So don't use a screwdriver in these confined places, just use a little wrench like this. Does just as well. Because these bolts are pretty old. You don't want to damage them and go to the junkyard, get new ones. That's just my tip. You guys can do whatever you want, of course. Don't come crying at me. So I'm loosening the second bolt underneath. I believe there's one more bolt right there holding on those 2 wires. I'll show you guys. So there's a second bolt, put that aside. So there's still one more bolt holding that whole assembly together. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Just loosen up. The whole unit should just come out. Just hand loosen it. There's the third bolt. They're all the same size, so don't worry about mixing them up. And then you can just go ahead and pull out the whole distributor cap, like so. So here's our old spark plug wire set here. As you can see, it's all shot. Some damage there, I think, and these wires are all bad. I'm gonna go clean up this one, and I'll be back with part 3. Alright, so I finally got the distributor in. Those 3 screws was a bitch to get in. because the bottom one wasn't really well aligned. So I think it was a distributor cap. Yeah, but now I'm going to put all the spark plug wires back in, so just look on the side. There should be a numbering next to the wire. We'll start with the farthest cylinder over. You can't get this process wrong because, well, seat them in. There's no way you can get this wrong because the wires are all different lengths. So that was one. Look on the side. Look on the side. This one's number 2. Slide that one in. But it's good to double check anyways. Oh yeah, shoot. Gotta take these back out because I forgot this wire here that I was holding. All those spark plug wires have to go underneath it because it was in the way. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, anyways, put them out to length first. Like I said again, you can't get this order wrong. They're all different lengths and they're labeled. So longest one over is cylinder number 1. Get that one in first. Line them up. That's 3. Sorry about that. And that's 4. So, and then organize them here. Just put them through the spark plug guide. Make sure it's seated in correctly. And actually these are 7mm. Double check everything. And yeah, fire the car up. It should be running if you put everything in the correct spot. So that's 4. I don't think you guys can see, but I'm going to double check anyways. That's 4. That is 2. No, that's 3. Leads there, and then yep, everything should be good. Just cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Get your key out. Go ahead. Start the car. Hope you guys like my new bubble shift knob. It's pretty sick. Just cross your fingers and hope nothing bad happens. And there we have it. That's how you install spark plug wires. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Kevin on behalf of Mr. JDM Reviewers signing out. Peace.